Hey, what's up? So I was just reading chapter 2 of Packing Itself and I just got super intrigued by the whole erogenous zone thing. I mean, we all know the basic, but it's way more complex than I thought. I remember when I first learned about erogenous zone, I thought it was just a checklist of the body parts, but the more I explored and talked to others, the more I realized that totally individual, like what I guess one person going might be absolute nothing to someone else. I even discovered some of my own unexpected zone that I never knew existed. What really stuck with me from the chapter is that it's all about communication, exploration. It's just about knowing where the zones are, but how someone like to touch or stimulate. I think a lot of are afraid to talk openly about where like, but this is the key of the unlocking of the whole new level. Intimacy is also remind that pleasure is just like a sex. It's about feeling good its own skin and connecting with your body. And so I curious are have you to ever had a funny pricing experience? Very indigenous though, or maybe just felt awkward talking about where you're like. Let's share someone's story and break down that stigma around pressure. Thanks for hanging out listening to my thought. Let's keep exploring, learning about unpacking other self together. Peace.